In 2015, Ireland Separated Families helped over 100 separated island families pick up the pieces and rebuild for a stronger, safer, brighter and more positive future. In 2016, we want to do more, so much more, and we're going to do it under a brand new name as a fully registered charity. Ireland Separated Families is now known as Jigsaw Family Support. When your family needs help, we're on hand with counselling services, accredited child contact services, professional help with the myriad of forms and procedures you may have to face in family court. We can assist you at hearings through our Mackenzie Friend services. We can offer mediation, psychotherapy, family counselling, workshops and support groups. Call us today on 01983 639793 or visit us online at www.jigsawfamilysupport.com. Jigsaw Family Support, because supporting the whole family brings a better outcome for children.